what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know. Let's see what I deal with today, you know. It's been a minute. It's been a minute, but it looks like Jahshii has made a return to dancehall, man. Jahshii been on a hiatus, you know. You know, the last thing what we dropped for Jahshii was that song Women Are Wise, I think, you know. Women like, I forgot the name of the track. But yeah, ever since a little controversy with him and him brother and all this thing, man, drop out. Jahshii been a little low key. You see me, I say about dog return today. Jahshii they are back with DJ Matt, the one named Likkle Miss Punny Down Riddim. I believe that's the remake of the Fiesta Riddim. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, gang. Yeah, dog, make a return with Likkle Miss, which I saw a preview on IG, you know, man, and it sound fire. You see me, I say, so we're not even going to hold the whole of the vibe much longer. I think the ladies gonna love this one. Let's get it.
Right now, you look like you have 200 pounds of pussy and no problem. I wonder how you did. The gender line 2 times.
I think I can just drop Miss Pretty. No, dog, I drop Likkle Miss. Alright!
So you end up with 200 pounds of pussy. You understand that?
Buckler, you end up with 200 pounds. Me don't understand that either.
So you end up with 200 pounds of pussy. You understand that? When did you have 200 pounds in your phone?
Yes, man.
When did you have 200 pounds in your phone? How that is?
Little me sit on this dick, but you got the glue, got the grip. Like when you whine and you split, but me love when you swallow and spit.
Yes, man, Likkle me sit on this. You got the glue, got the grip. Yes, yes.
Little me sit on this dick, but you got the glue, got the grip. Like when you whine and you split, but me love when you swallow and spit.
Easy no, mama.
Likkle me straight riding out. Love when you're riding mood.
That's a fact. Likkle me straight. Love when they doing the things. Hey!
Sit down and ride panic good. Every night have my cock in your cube.
Yes.
One back a man a fuck you wanna you that. Underneath your bless no hallelujah. Tell your body now go like school man.
One a man I know you that mama. Underneath your bless like hallelujah. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Underneath your bless no hallelujah. Tell your body now go like school man. Me cock in your dead like Biggie and Tupac. I saw me bust in your belly the balloon.
Cock in your dead like Biggie and Tupac. Talk truth! What? Hey, what's happening here?
Hallelujah. Tell your body now go like school man. Me cock in your dead like Biggie and Tupac. I saw me bust in your belly the balloon pop. Broke your feet, broke out when the tune drop now. Love when you wind up and move that ground. Tell your pussy fat.
Broke broke out when the tune drop. Talk truth.
And move that ground. Tell your pussy fat like a million pound of mash.
Like a million pound of mash. I want to. Jahshii, you're mad, man. Hey. Easy. I'm sure.
Yeah, girl, your pussy worth it. Love it when it work. One bring you go Hermes, go buy you one Birkin. Underneath it.
Girl, your pussy worth it. Under you when you turn one carry got Hermes, go buy a Birkin.
Bring you go Hermes, go buy you one Birkin. Underneath it, tight, I ain't a virgin. Work it right like send me on the surgery. Tonight, you know some.
Yes, man.
Your panty have to fly like bird wing. So me tie up your hand with my kerchief.
Panty have to fly like a bird wing, mama. Bust that off like a baby kite. Move up, where that go? What?
Tie up your hand with my kerchief. Make you say, boy. Me make you ball, oh, boy. Make you ball, oh, boy. Me make you ball, oh, boy.
Make you ball, oh, boy. Easy now.
Yeah. Make you ball, oh, boy. Make you ball, oh, boy.
Yes.
Make you ball, oh, boy.
Yeah, Likkle Miss. What?
Likkle Miss sit on this dick. You got the glue, got the grip.
Hey!
Like when you whine and you split. But me love when you swallow your spit.
Yes.
Likkle Miss red riding hood. Oh, love when you riding it.
Hey! Talk truth.
Yeah, sit down and ride for mood. Every night have my cock in your cube. I want bag man, I fuck you wanna you that.
Yeah, Samoma. Yeah, Zimmy. Yeah, man. Yo. It's not like the library. It's not like a door dab where everybody get a turn. You see me and say it's not like the library where it's open to the public, woman. You see me and say you only say one man to your thing. You see me?
Bless the hallelujah. Tell your body now count like school mats. Me hood na dead like Biggie and Tupac. Me a bust in your belly the balloon pop out. Wine if you wind up and move that round.
Easy.
Tell you pussy fatter than 2 gun pound of mash. Make you ball, oh. Make you ball, oh.
Yes, man.
Yeah, me make you ball, oh boy. Make you ball, oh boy.
Yes.
Make you ball.
Make. Hey.
Make you ball.
Yes. Easy girl. Yes. Love where ladies going. Hey. Y'all am galang. Party on the video. Hey. Yeah man, the girl am going bad in the video man. Not that we life you say. Easy. Yes man. Jahshii. Yeah man, you forward with another one man. You're fine. The one I'm a G. It's a good way. This is a good way to return to the music. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah, been on a hiatus for a little bit, so it's good you return with a banger. You see me? The ladies gonna love this one. It's a good look, man. You see me? I say big up yourself, Josh. Done. You don't know, gang. Drop in the comments, all this good stuff. Let's get a dialogue going. You see where we're the party now? Road to 10K. Hit the like and subscribe button. We're only 1,500 away from it. So do the right thing. You see me? I say, gang. Yeah. So, yeah, let's drop it in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going. You see me? I drop this banger phone right and now. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself. And each other, love you guys.